Today, I address my American brothers and sisters. Whenever I see videos of your soldiers visiting their families, believe me, I feel great. And I pray that your people remain safe and happy with their families. But here, my question to you is that as beautiful as this scene is for you, shouldn't it be equally beautiful for others? There are other people, too, whose loved ones your political system uses your military to take away from their happiness and separates millions of innocent people from their loved ones. Would you like your children to drink dirty water from war-affected zones? Of course, God forbid, but all this is happening because of your wrong decisions. Who gave you the right to decide someone else's future? Your country is indeed a powerful country, but that does not mean you should crush the weak. I believe that strength is to protect the weak. Therefore, I would humbly request you to put pressure on your government to stop the oppression in Palestine. We believe that history remembers the horrific atrocities committed against the Jews by Hitler, but that tragedy should not be used to justify injustice against others today. Muslims supported the Jews even then, so what kind of atrocities is this that is being recorded in history today?